In this video, I am again going to talk about the divergence, and I have found one free indicator for you guys because many of my subscribers looking for the free indicator that actually works. So I have continued the series of finding those indicators for you and which comes good according to my criteria, and then I try to make the video on such type of indicators. Okay, the good thing is the indicator that I am going to review in this video, it's completely free to use on TradingView. Okay, so first of all, it's very important to understand the logic of the indicator. So first of all, you can see that it is using two type of vertical rectangles, like they are in red color and the green color. And the good thing is the second number, if you see that the major signals that are coming from the bear divergence, and and the second one from the bull divergence, and I will tell you that which divergence should be trusted and which divergence should not be trusted. Okay, so for example, there is a bear divergence and there was also a bear divergence, but this signal got failed. So we will talk about that why this signal got failed. So we will talk about it. Don't worry at all. So first of all, let me tell you that which indicator is this. For this, you need to write SVEA. Okay, so SVEA. So when you write it on your trading view, then this will come, that is called Smart Valuation and Analysis, by the name of the author Gabri Moku. And you can see that the indicator that I'm going to review today, it's simply, you can see only 4 likes, which means that this indicator is hidden so far, and many traders from all over the world, those who are using TradingView, they even don't know about anything about this indicator because they have never explored this indicator before. So once you attach this indicator, so guys, just look at this. The second indicator that I have attached for the confirmation, that this is the Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts, and I think so that this indicator does not need any kind of introduction from my side, because it is from the very famous author Lux Algo, and the name of the indicator is Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. Okay, now uh, look, what I have told you, that my videos that normally that I made for you, they are very technical. And if you follow my videos wisely, as per the technical knowledge that I'm giving in this video, then you can be a simply profitable trader in no time. Okay, if you follow the FX Mentor YouTube channel for at least 1 month, you practice the strategies on the demo account, you will be very profitable. The reason why, I'm going to explain in this video. So for example, we are reviewing the SVEA indicator based on the divergence. Okay, now just look at this indicator. It has provided you the bear divergence right here. Okay, as I have told you, that I will also tell you that why the signal get failed. So now you can see, just look at the on the bear divergence, just look at the Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts indicator, what it is telling you. It is telling you basically this is the change of bullish change of character plus the break of structure. So it means that this signal could be the lagging one, because there is a bullish change of character, and on the bullish change of character, there is no need to take a sell position. Instead, you can see the price has simply went into the upward trend. Okay, now you can see there was a uh, bear divergence. Okay, so the bearish change of character came. Now this could be sound a good thing, that now we can trust this one. Okay, now let me tell you about the entry, that how we can actually possibly take our entries in a good way. Okay, now just look at this. The change of character is coming from here. Okay, so most of the traders, what mistake they do, they normally execute their sell positions from here. Okay, so whenever there is a change of character, so instead of marking that point, okay, instead of marking that point, mark the upper part. Like for example, this is the resistance area for the market. Okay, now mostly you know that when the price wants to go into the downward direction, when the smart money decides that they want to take the price into the downward direction, so what they will do first, they will first liquidate this resistance. Okay, because their stop losses, because before going down, they will come to eat the stop losses that are available on the upper side, and then they will create the final move. So the change of character, basically it is telling you that you need to be alert. And then once the liquidation process is done, and then this is the time for reversal. And you can also expect another change of character, or the other thing, if there is no change of character, you can see there is a change of character here, then there is a break of structure will come, and then you can see the price is down. Clear? Okay, now just have a look here. There is a bull divergence, but the break of structures were bearish. Okay, yes, here we have the bullish change of character after the bull divergence. Okay, now again remind my words that what will happen, the retail traders will immediately enter into the buy positions exactly from here, and then the price will go against them. Okay, so remember my advice that you are on the FX Mentor US channel, and you need to understand, you need to mark the lower sport area of the market. Okay, because the price will come for the liquidation. You can see those who have taken the buy positions, immediately on the change of character they were gone, because their stop losses were hunted and the price has liquidated this support area. And after the liquidation, just look at this move. Okay, so try to understand that this is what we have learned uh, from years of trading, and then we are able to create such videos, because this is not a joke. Okay, I know retail trader will take their entry exactly from the wrong area. Okay, now here we have the change of character. Okay, but this time the price straightforward go down. Okay, but we need to be very very careful on everything. Okay, but mostly it will not happen. Now just look at this, the bear divergence. So what you will know, you the bear divergence, the change of character is coming here, and you need to wait here, and you can see. Okay, now this time what happened here, now just look at this one. This time the price went to liquidate that part, the lower resistance, and then it touched and retested that area. But just remember my words, when there was a bullish change of bearish change of character, so retail traders are entering into the sell position exactly on this candle. So this is wrong. This is wrong. What I am telling you and teaching you, that you will take a late entry. Now this is the previous resistance. Look at this one, not this one. I'm talking about this resistance. Mark the area. Okay, it retested, and then you see a rejection candle, and now you can enter into the sell position. This is the more confirmed trade. Okay, now just look at this, the logic that I'm giving you. No one will teach you, because everyone will be looking to just make the videos. But my preference is always, when making the videos, at least give you the knowledge that actually works. Okay, now just have a look here, bear divergence. This time straightforward the market went down. But again guys, remember that when you are trading the high volatile assets like a Bitcoin and the gold and the other one, then normally the liquidation will be there most of the time. So you need to be very, very careful. Okay. Okay, so this is the stop loss case. We have the bullish diversion. Okay, not a stop loss case actually. Okay, so bullish diversion. Okay, and then I told you not to take the buy position exactly from here. Now just look at this. The price made one candle bearish. Okay, now again the same thing, just look at this area, look at this area. Okay, so just look at this is the previous support. Okay, not this one, this is the previous support. The price came for the retest, and then you get a winning trade from this one. Now hopefully those who have watched this video and not skipped the video, then I hope that they at least learn the method, that what is actually happening in the market. Like for example, this is some hidden this is hidden bull, but definitely we are not going to trade the hidden structures. We are going to trade the straightforward bull and bear, the bull and bear divergence, so that we can go for that. Look at this, you need to catch such type of trades. Bear diversion, even there is a break of structure, you can see the price came for the retest of that area. You can see on the break of structure, do not take the trade. Okay, exactly the price reversed, it retested this area that I'm telling you, and then just look at the final move, the price is down. So hopefully you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and share this video. And those subscribers who are willing to book my private indicators like the bank orders indicators, the market earning points, trend line indicators, they can check the website, and also they can join the Telegram channel. And if you want to book my private indicators, you can contact through Telegram or email. All information is in the description.